In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open private browser in Opera. Private windows are great when you want your browsing history, cookies, and site data to be cleared as soon as you close the window. They don't make you invisible on the internet or to your network administrator, but they do keep activity out of your local history and logged out from most sites. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is up, the fastest way to launch a private session is with a simple shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Hold the modifier keys first, then tap N, and Opera will open a new private window instantly. You'll know it worked when you see a separate window with a darker theme and a confirmation message about private browsing. If you prefer using menus, you can open a private window from the Opera menu. Look for the red Opera icon at the top left corner of the browser window and click it to open the menu. From there, choose New Private Window. Opera will pop open a new private browsing window, separate from your regular tabs, so you can keep private tasks distinct from your everyday work. A couple of quick tips while you're in a private window. Downloads and bookmarks you create will still be saved on your computer, but your browsing history and cookies from this window won't be kept after you close it. Also, private browsing is different from using a VPN or a proxy. It controls what's stored on your device, not who can see your traffic on the network. When you're done, simply close the private window to end the session. That's all you need to confidently start a private browsing session in Opera, whether you love shortcuts or prefer the menu.